is very interesting, which is try searching to get started on YouTube. So simply tap on the history here, tap on these three dots and tap on clear all watch history and clear all your watch history. Now as I go back into the YouTube and refresh this, as you can see, it tells me to try searching to get started because there is no watch history on this YouTube channel or this YouTube account. So this is the reason. So simply what you have to do, either you have to search for anything which you like or which you don't like. Search for anything. Suppose I am just playing this music right now and just remove this. Let's play a few videos like this. So what would happen is now YouTube knows what you actually like or dislike. So as you can see, it shows me some kind of feed as per the videos that I watch. Now another thing is, if you have accidentally turned on the incognito mode just like this, so YouTube will also says try searching to get started on YouTube. So these are the two main reasons why it shows you this screen and how you can fix it. I hope you found the information helpful. If it does, then do let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.